Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a complete authorized API. This you can use in any of your application, or if you are working on an API you can have all these features. So in this video I will be focusing mainly on these functionalities, which is sign up, sign in, sign out, forgot password and reset password using the forgot password token. So let's focus on how to do that. To make it simpler, I have added all those code in a single document, which the link will be provided in our Rails group where we discuss about the Rails stuff, and that group link will be pasted in this video's link. So make sure you go and click on it and join our Rails group where developers discuss about the Rails issues, and we will help each other to solve it together. So first step will be go inside. No, first step is creating a Rails new app. So here the Rails new app is Rails new auth. You can give it any name, and by default this will create an application with the SQLite database, since I didn't mention any other database in specific. So once this is done, I will be giving clear screen, and now to go inside the app. Alright, I think I should not do this because as a API developer we should create a API only app. So I will be creating an API only app. Here is Shiva. I will be creating an API only app. So go inside that app which you just created. Alright. So right now we have to go inside the jump file and add these 3 jumps. So to do that we have to go inside our code editor to make it very easy. So I am using Visual Studio Code. So when you give code space dot, it will take you inside the Visual Studio Code, and here you have to paste those jumps which I have given, and then you have to do bundle install, which will install the jumps. This will install the jumps, and after that you have to copy this, and in config initializer cost.rb, config initializer cost.rb, here you have to replace it. And once this is done, the next step will be giving raise-gb device install. So here you are making use of a device gem. Device gem itself provides the authorization functionalities. It is a library which is maintained by public open repository. So you can give raise-g device install. After that you can give raise-g device user. So raise-g device user will create a user database with the user model. So you have to give raise-g device user, and then raise db create and raise db migrate. This is a combined command which performs 2 functionalities, db create, in the sense you can split this command as a raise db create or raise db migrate, but in single line this command looks like this. After giving this, you can see here that in your schema user table is created with all these things, and if you see your app model, you can see all these things is created. User model is also created. So after this, what you have to do is copy and paste this in your user model. We saw that we have user model. Here you have to copy and paste those things which I have just said. So after this, what this will do, this will add some of the routes like rememberable, recoverable, validatable. These are the routes required for forgot password, and this uh, this is a method. We will understand it later why we added this deny list. So here, once that is done, you will create a new jump file. You will create a new model file called as jwt.rb. Go to model and new file called jwrb, and inside this you will be giving this. So what this will basically do is it will create a JWT deny list which will inherit the property of application record, and it will call a table called as JWT deny list. So in order to this to work, we have to create a JWT deny list. So for that we have a command rails the migration JWT deny list. So this will create a migration file. The migration file can be found in db migration. Okay, this is the migration file. Here you have to one moment, I missed something.